Hey everybody, this is Hunter. Hope you're having an awesome day. I know I sure am. It is absolutely a beautiful night here in Ohio. It's got a little bit warm. The other day we had some pretty gnarly storms, as well as most of the country over in this parts. But today I've got a great mid bunk fifth wheel for you. It's the 2022 East to West Tandara 385MB, and this thing is absolutely phenomenal. I love the East to West brand from the, their travel trailers at their entry level point. They're maybe a little bit upgraded travel trailers in the Alta, the Tandara, and the Ahara. They just bring their A game every time. And I think they not only look nice on the outside, they've got plenty of options without going crazy. They also look absolutely beautiful on the inside. So today I'm going to take you on about a 10 to 15 minute tour on the inside, then swing around back on the outside, show you a couple things that I think are really cool, like that big pass-through storage, the dual awnings, all that good stuff. But if you guys wouldn't mind, if you guys could hit that like and subscribe button for me, I am dying to hit 5,000 by the end of the year, and I'm going to give it my best shot. A little bit out of reach possibly, but heck, if you don't shoot for it, you're not going to get it. So if you could help me out there, maybe even drop a comment with what I can do better for you next time, or anything helpful, I would greatly appreciate it. But as you can see, first walking in, light, bright, and beautiful. This brand has done away with the browns. All the cabinet is really nice and bright. The flooring is nice, bright, and clean. The island, the only thing that's dark on here is going to be kind of your TV, your window shades to block out some sun, and maybe that table. But I think those are all, pretty darn acceptable. But today I'm going to start here in the back and then work my way up to that little mid bunk room, the loft, and the bedroom. So starting off right here, you got your entertainment. You got this whole slide right here. This is going to feature your entertainment section. So you have this really nice sized TV. It's going to come with 2 good speakers to get this thing bumping. You also have your Furrion sound system. So Furrion is a very trusted, RV brand that's taken over, along with a little bit of storage. This fireplace has a setting to go up to 100 degrees. And if you guys have watched my videos in the past, when I mean 100 degrees, I mean 100 degrees. It is actually probably too good at its job. It'll heat this entire area no problem. On a day where it's 45, that thing will run you out of the camper. I set it to about 60, and sometimes I'm sweating making these things, so I turned it off today. Plenty of storage here up above the TV. You also have this nice design to this glass. I think it's just looking sharp, just kind of adds to, the decor aspect. Right back here in the back, you have this awesome 3-seat sleeper sofa. So what that means is you're going to pull this out to all this space. It'll butt up, it'll end probably about here, about maybe 6 inches, a foot short of this island kitchen. But it is a full queen size bed, which is nice. When you need that occasional sleeper, you actually have, a regular size bed for your guests, which I think is just kind of neat. And a lot of these sleeper sofas are not that way. One absolutely massive window here off the back, 2 on either side that are both really nice. I've got the night shades, which come down, get your Dracula on. Don't let people look inside the camper. Just a handy feature to have, whether it is, you're blocking out the sun or maybe those nosy neighbors. Up here above, the storage is all one big piece. It's going to go across. Give you a nice little look. Open up these 2 drawers. Review over to the right. And then over to the left. So you got plenty of storage here up above. I also think this decor is looking, pretty nice. Give you a nice little view of that. See what you're getting into. To the left and to the right of the sleeper sofa, you got outlet, USB, and USB. So you got plenty of places to plug some stuff in, charge your iPhones, your Androids, whatever it is that you're rocking. Bada bing, bada boom, you're in the business. Right here, you got your Allure recliners. So these are not power recliners, but they are the quick recline. So you can sleep in them if you want. They are very comfortable. I've taken many naps in campers, just like this. But basically, you pull the tab and you lean your body back. You know what a recliner is and what it does. You got 2 cup holders, and you got a little storage right here as well. And you're going to see on this slide, all the slides on these Tandaras, they're all huge. So not only are they nice and wide, but they're also tall. So I am 6 feet tall, you know, and I'm standing. So you got probably about another 2 inches of headroom, maybe 3. It's probably about 6'3" high. You don't have to worry about bonking your head, you know, unless you're a giant in these campers, which, you know, typically doesn't fare too well anyway for the taller folks in most of these. But you got 4 windows that go across, 2 absolutely massive ones. So loving that. Plenty of natural light you can let in. You got this table. I've got it in storing mode. That's how you're going to store your chairs, you know, when you're traveling with those straps. But yeah, you know, you got room for 4, whether you want to play cards, kick back, have some dinner, relax, read, whatever it is that you're doing. You also have this light, which is looking nice. Got that little metal residential feature or feel to it. You swing around, you got this awesome island kitchen, which has more storage than most. And you also have more outlets than most. So you got outlets right here, outlets right there. This light switch is to control this bad boy up here, this lighting system. So you got these 2 lights that are controlled on that switch. I think that is just looking good in general up there. Plenty of space here on the counter. This is a solid surface countertop, by the way. Your single undermounted stainless steel bowl, so plenty of room to do all your dishes, and it leads up to your high-rise residential faucet. So wada bing, bada boom, you're doing all the dishes. All right, so on this side you have storage. On that side you're going to have a little pull-out garbage can, but the tops are going to be the same. This guy's your welcoming packet in with all your manuals. But, you know, your typical drawer there. Right there, you got some extra storage. And under here, which is usually kind of lost space in a lot of campers, they not only give you access to the plumbing, but it's also a clean-cut looking, you know, kind of area to, you know, pack rat, some cleaning supplies, all that good stuff. Let's see what's in here. Yeah, so that's a better look of the drawer, you know, on this one. And this is going to be your pull-out garbage can. So pretty slick. All right, over here, again, solid surface countertops. You got an oven. It's your Magic Chef. So you got plenty of space to cook some stuff there. Probably cook a couple chickens if you'd like to. You got 3 burners. Outlets to the left and to the right, as well as some lights that you can click on and off. You got your microwave, good size microwave, and storage up and around. I'll open up here this left side. The right side is going to be exactly the same. And here up above. Moving around, you got this, I don't know how to pronounce that. Is it hair? I don't know. Luckily, they hired me because I'm friendly. But plenty of room to put a week's worth of groceries, you know, no problem. You also have 2 pull-out freezer drawers. And what I like about this model, you know, what you get with that Mid Bunk is you get something like this. A really nice pantry in here. You notice that it also comes with an outlet. You know, I've seen some people put some Keurigs in there, you know, plug it in, make some coffee on a shelf, kind of make this like a little coffee bar. You can also take these shelves out. On this side, they are all removable. Use it as a hanging closet with those little octopus guys. Plenty of room to put, you know, whatever food that you need. It also comes with this nice little lip right here. So when you're traveling, it won't all roll out and, you know, bang through the door and fumble around. Up above this pantry. Let me go ahead and latch this up. Oh, missed it. Wow, heck. Well, I'm making a mess of that part, so we're going to skip it. So right up here, you got some extra storage. That about wraps it up for this area. Let me go ahead and show you that again. Right here, you got your control panel. So this camper has 4 slides. Each one of them you can control from right here. Your 2 awnings. You also have all your lights, you know, your gas, water heater, all that good stuff. Your Dometic control right here to control this zone here in the back. And also your max air vent, which is located right there. Turn that on, get some of the, you know, kind of the air circulating, or maybe you're cooking Want to get the smell of bacon out of your camper? There you go. Now, this has the mid bunk, like I told you. You got a bunk right here, which you can lift up. And you can snap in to get rid of that and use this as more of a couch. You know, you can lift this up and set it up, or you can pull it out to make a bed back here. You also got outlets and USBs. Outlets and USBs along with a TV backer and the outlet, satellite, and cable. Some more storage. Again, you can take this out as well if you need some of the hanging storage in this area. And then with so many people kind of traveling around for work, I think this camper is also going to be used for kind of a mobile, mobile office. This room right here, you take this and you snap it up. And I thought that was a brilliant idea by them. Plug in your laptop, you're ready to roll with those outlets, the USBs. You can charge all your devices, get things going. You also have another set of outlets right there. All right, so heading up the stairs, you got yourself a grab handle. You also have this little ladder, which you can take and pull out to more easily access this loft. Back here, you're gonna see you got some outlets and some USBs. So if you got a kid, they're still charging your devices, not driving you nuts. They also have another click-on light and a little window. Seen some people even use this for storage. Throw some totes back there and you're ready to go. The bathroom here is going to be dual entry into the bedroom. So you got this door and this door. So if you want a private entrance, you got one. Plenty of storage here to the right of the shower. Good size shower. That's going to be a one-piece fiberglass. You also have a place for some natural sunlight to get in. Some more outlets. You got a sink right here with plenty of counter space. A place where you can access the plumbing and some cubbies. Let's check out the bedroom. All right, so you're going to walk back here. You got this nice queen-size bed. You got a couple windows. It's looking nice and sharp. You're also going to have some storage here underneath. And this is good storage. It's a little bit taller, a little bit wider than most. You can put maybe those extra chairs in here, some bed linens, whatever you need to pack away. Got yourself an emergency exit window, as well as an area for a TV backer. Cable and satellite, some outlets, and you got yourself a dresser. It's going to have 4 of these. And so this has the Rhino box, pin box here on the front. So that allows you to actually get some more storage up here, which is nice. If you were to have some of the more fancy pin boxes, like your MoreRide or your Trail Air, you actually usually has to cut into it just the way that they're designed. So you do get some extra storage up here. It's also an area where you can put your dryer vent, so you can have your, your washer and dryer back here. Hanging clothes, you got another little ledge. Yeah, I think this gives you a pretty good inside view of this, the 2022 Tandara 385MB. I about wrapped up the inside, but if you guys are enjoying it so far and you've made it this far, if you could hit that like and subscribe button for me again, I would definitely like it. Take a couple moments here around the outside. So as you're walking in, you got your solid surface entry stairs. Like I had mentioned, you have 2 awnings. It looks like this one's about 10 feet, and I would guess this one is coming in right about 18 feet, but I will put that information down in the description. You got some storage right here with an outlet that sneaks in. You got a little light that you can turn on. Really nice pass-through storage that shows off some of that aluminum construction a little bit for you. Outlets and some satellites, so if you want to put, or some cable outlets, if you want to put a TV out here, you're ready to roll. Your propane here behind this. Again, this has the electric auto leveling. Some storage here. Fully laminated slides. So really nice and solid. This is going to be your control for your auto level. So at the click of a button, you are leveled up and ready to roll. And on this side of the pass-through storage is going to be all your connections. So you got your different valves, you know, for your fresh water, all that good stuff, as well as your city connection, your black tank flush, dry camping, power fill tank, all that good stuff, winterizing. You also have your battery disconnect right here. Now this camper is eligible, if you would like, you can put slide toppers on the top. That's basically going to be a little mini awning that attaches right here. And as the slide comes out, it comes with it. Those will run you about $700 a piece, but they're definitely nice to have, you know, kind of for that ease of use. All right, so heading up the back, you got yourself a hitch, so you can put on a cargo rack, a bike rack, you know, whatever you want to throw in to there. You also have a ladder, so all of your east to west campers, all of your east to west Tandaras will have this ladder that goes up to its fully walkable roof, so that way you can do the maintenance, clean off the slides, all of that good stuff. They're also going to come prepped for an observation camera. You can install that, 550 bucks. It's a Furrion is the one that's prepped for, so while you're driving down the road, you know, you can see what's happening behind you with some distance markers. Makes traveling a little bit safer. But that about wraps it up for this camper. Again, this is the 2022 Tandara 385MB. My name is Hunter. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Have a great night. See ya.